If you've been procrastinating about starting a YouTube channel, I want to tell you, you are in the right place. Stop procrastinating and get to starting that YouTube channel today. I have 2 categories and 4 different ways that I am ready to walk you through on how to start a YouTube channel. Get ready, grab yourself a notepad and a pen and write every single step that you need to know how to start a YouTube channel today. The first category is going to tell you why you're not starting your YouTube channel, what's keeping you from starting your YouTube channel. And the second category is going to tell you step by step how you can start that YouTube channel and how you can grow it. And you definitely do not want to miss the fourth step in the second category, because this is very important if you want to start a YouTube channel and if you want to be successful in your YouTube channel. You definitely do not want to miss this. All those tips in this video, so you definitely do not want to miss the fourth point in the second category, because that's one of the most important points that I personally did not even know about. And when I knew about it, it just restructured my whole YouTube journey. Jumbo, and welcome to Aggie's Vine. If this is your first time, subscribe and join the Vines. Are you already a Vine? Welcome back. Today's video is hot. If you have been wanting to start a YouTube channel and you've been procrastinating, it is time to start that YouTube channel, and I will give you the reason why. I will also tell you how easy it is to start a YouTube channel. The first category is subdivided into 4 parts, okay? And the first part is for people who just never start, people who are always procrastinating. I have been there. I started this YouTube channel like 4 years ago, stopped, restarted it, stopped it, and restarted it again. So this is my 3rd try. And I am giving you these tips because I've tried and stopped. So I have a little bit of experience on how to go about this YouTube thing. And I will also give you my regrets as to why I feel I should never have stopped in the first place. And what I'm thinking, if I had never have stopped in the first place, where I would be today. But we have no time for regrets. All we can do is just keep soldiering on. So girl, you need to stop procrastinating and you need to start that YouTube channel now. Now, you may want to be asking, how do I start a YouTube channel? Oh, I don't have the right equipment. If you have a smartphone, you have the right equipment and you have all you need. If you have a smartphone that's got a camera on it, get to recording. If you keep waiting to have the right equipment, if you keep waiting to have the right camera, if you think having sophisticated equipment is what's gonna make you a great YouTuber, you are lying to yourself. Girl, boy, you need to get up and start with that YouTube channel now. Second reason is give up too quickly. You start your YouTube channel, you are all fired up and you think you've got these great ideas down pat, and you shoot your first video and then it doesn't give you the views you were looking for, and then you just lose all your hope and give up. Research on what you want to shoot, what you want to bring out there. What content is it that you're looking to give to the people? Who are your audience? Who are you targeting? What interests you? And this will also narrow down to your passion. What things are you passionate about? Okay, a lot of people fail in their YouTube journey because they started for the sole purpose of making money, and they want that money so quickly, and when they shoot that first video, upload it, it doesn't get the views they were looking for. They get discouraged, they lose hope, and they think, well, I'm a failure at YouTube, I will never succeed at this. All the YouTubers and content creators you see out there did not happen overnight. These are people who've been putting their craft out there. Some even go for a year without even seeing a single cent from their channel. But because they're passionate about what they do, because they believe in the content that they're giving people out there, they just keep pushing. They keep pushing. So make sure before you start a YouTube channel, whatever content you're getting ready to put out there is something you're passionate about. Are you passionate about cooking? Are you passionate about photography? Are you passionate about traveling? Are you passionate about crafts? Fixing things. People are making YouTube videos about fixing things at home. You could be like a carpenter, you know how to create a table with wood or whatever. You could be a mechanic. You could create videos just fixing cars. Whatever you're passionate about and you have a phone that's got a camera on it, shoot. Start shooting, okay? Start shooting. The third reason why people are afraid of starting a YouTube channel is they burn out real fast, okay? Like, I'll give you an example with myself. I started the first time and I didn't even last a month. This was like 4 years ago. I didn't last a month. I burned out so fast. The topic that I had chosen to do on YouTube was obviously not something I was passionate about. So it was hard for me to keep going. It was hard for me to have that motivation to wake up looking forward to doing YouTube because I was not passionate about the topic I chose. And obviously because I chose it for the wrong reasons. I was after making money and I thought, I'm gonna put my first video out there. I'm gonna get so many views. I'm gonna start making money. And that wasn't the case. And so I burned out real fast. So you do not wanna go into YouTube with the mindset again of making money immediately or seeing your channel just blow up overnight. Reason for starting YouTube is just solely to make money. I would want to tell you to rethink. I mean, it's a good idea, it's a good reason, but rethink. Make sure this is something you're passionate about. For you to be successful in anything, you have to enjoy doing it. You have to enjoy doing it. You may not believe me when I tell you that I wake up looking forward for my sessions to shoot my videos. I wake up thinking about topics to shoot in my niche. I wake up thinking about what do I want to give, what content do I want to put out there? What topic do I think my audience want to see today? So I have a passion for it. There is something that's pushing me every day, making me look forward to doing it. And that is something that you definitely want to make sure you have. The fourth reason in the first category that makes people not continue with YouTube or give up too soon is struggling to stay relevant. People, after they reach a certain point on their YouTube platform, they struggle to stay relevant because they've run out of topics to post, they've run out of ideas to post. Researching on your craft, studying every day. You never master your craft 100% to where you cannot learn something new. So be open to learning something new. Now, how do you start a YouTube channel again? You just grab your camera and start shooting. And I would recommend that you do as much research and how-tos, like how to shoot a video. When you go to Google, Google will give you these answers. Study content creators, study people that are doing YouTube videos out there. Study people that have been doing YouTube for a while. Don't be afraid to take ideas from them, okay? We learn from each other every day. There is no single YouTuber out there that will tell you that this is their original content. They've studied another YouTuber, they've watched another YouTuber, they've watched another content creator, and they've emulated or learned something from them and then incorporated it in their own style. So don't be afraid to learn from other content creators. You can subscribe to this channel for two reasons. One, because it's free, and two, because it helps my channel to grow, it helps this channel to grow, and it helps me know that you like this type of content, so it helps me to continue bringing similar content in the future. And point number one is to start. You just go into it. Don't think too much about it. Start by trial and error. If the first one doesn't do well, try another one. If the second one doesn't do well, try another one. You keep trying until you find that one that seems to catch people's audience, then you narrow down to it. So you just start. And the third point is what niching and what you want to talk about on YouTube. Now, I know in the past a lot of content creators have talked about niching and how you need to narrow down into one niche and how the algorithm will just push your videos if you are just doing content based on one niche. But as a beginner, I will tell you this. Layering your content is critical in making you break through into the YouTube world. And you may ask yourself, what's layering? Layering is basically trying different niches in the beginning, shooting videos on different things that you may like, different things that you're passionate about, and watching how those videos do. Now, if you put, you can put a video out on doing makeup, put a video out on travel, put a video out on cooking, put a video out. I would highly recommend this because I believe that by trying these different niches, then you get to narrow down the niche that works out best for you. Now, I told you this is my third time trying out on YouTube. First time I did YouTube, I started with celebrity gossip and I burned out within a month. The second time, it was law of attraction, something that I'm still passionate about, but I just didn't feel like that's a niche I wanted to continue with. And then the third time I'm trying it out, I'm trying it based on something I have personally experienced. So I have the experience, I've done online jobs, I've done online work, I have done online hustles, and this is something I felt that I could easily bring to my audience, share with them, and bring value to them. So you want to try different niches and see which one works for you. The fourth point, which I told you was the most important, is considering the SEO. Now, what is the SEO? SEO means search engine optimization. And just in simple terms is making sure that when you title your videos, they're easy to find, okay? Like when I go to YouTube and search a video, if I type how to braid, if you had done a video on how to braid, yours will come up first. So how do you do search engine optimization? You go to the search engines like YouTube again, because YouTube is a search engine, because you know YouTube is owned by Google. You go to YouTube and type how to, and then the list of content that comes at the bottom tells you what people are actually interested in. What are people looking for? And when you're creating these videos, you want to put two things in mind. You want to create videos, one, to entertain people, and two, to solve people's problems. If you fall into those two categories, you are good to go, because people out there have problems and they want them solved, and that's why they come to YouTube and type how to. I need to know how to do this, okay? Or they're coming to YouTube for entertainment. So when you're considering your search engine optimization for your titles, consider those two things and they will help you be able to create the right videos for you. I hope this information was helpful to you. If you've been waiting or procrastinating on starting a YouTube channel, I beg you to stop and go ahead and start that YouTube channel today, because 1 year down the line, you do not want to be like me and go back, I wish I never stopped, okay? I wish I had continued recording my videos. I wish I had continued uploading. You do not want to do that. You do not want to be on the regret boat. You want to be on the boat that says, I'm glad I did this, okay? So I hope you're gonna go out there today and start your YouTube channel. And until the next video, in my next video, I'll be bringing 2 companies that are hiring. So for those who are looking for online jobs, I have that for you. I've got you covered. I have a mega list of companies that have remote jobs available worldwide. So I will be bringing that to you in my next video. If you would also like to support my channel, it's free to subscribe and it will help my channel grow. And if you will do that, I will be grateful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, Harry.